Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Professor NFT here. So before I get started, remember, this is not financial advice and please do your own research. All right, so I got a huge mint for you guys that's coming up. It is Invokers. They are launching in just 2 days. There's a bunch of hype in this project. So Invokers is an open world play to earn quest based game built using Unreal Engine 5.0. So Invokers is an MMORPG, so that it will allow players to dive into the role-playing world of heroes versus antagonists, level up weapons, abilities, and different drops, which are tradable on the Solana blockchain. So if you ever played World of Warcraft or Final Fantasy, or rather different MMOs, you are going to like this NFT. They have a total supply of 5,000 Invoker NFTs that you could stake, play, and trade. So I'm going to put a link actually of their amazing trailer. I'm telling you guys, it's something incredible. I'm going to put their trailer in the description below. I'm going to put a link for it. So the roadmap, here we see that the team is doing great and most of the stuff is on track. So when the NFT does come out, they are actually going to give us the official MMORPG release date. So I'm excited for that as well. I'm hoping it would be soon. I hope it doesn't take too long. I hope they give it to us probably in less than a month. That's what I'm hoping for. But I guess we are going to have to wait and see. So they got really good benefits as well if you want to hold on to this NFT. First of all, it's one of first of its kind NFT staking platform where NFTs do not leave holders' wallets. So that's something you don't really hear of. If you hold 10 plus Invoker NFTs, you get a DAO membership. And if you hold 5 plus Invoker NFTs, you get eligibility to join the Invokers DAO. And if you hold 1 plus Invoker NFTs, you get entries into all raffles, exclusive holders, private channels, and probably much more. All right, so let's go ahead and check their team here. So this is the main guy here, Sam Invoker. He's the main guy. He's an entrepreneur pretty much from Dubai. He has 2 successful startups. So he's actually being doxed by Civic Pass, and this is the team working alongside him. They have 8 2D, 3D artists, 8 CG artists, 12 developers, 8 marketers, and 8 community managers. So it looks like a solid team. It looks he has many people working with him actually. So let's go ahead and hop on the Discord. As you see the Discord, they have a total of 23.4K members. We already know the hype is there. The community looks strong. And one thing I always tell you guys, the stronger the community, the stronger the NFT. Their supply is at 5K, so their mint price is pretty high. Let me pull that up for you guys here. So their mint price is actually, it doesn't say here. Oh, yes, it does. It is at 2 SOL. But to be honest, you guys, one of the reasons it's so high, it's because the amount of capital this type of game needs, or NFT, especially an MMORPG, it requires a good amount so it could function well. But it's all on you guys if you guys want to go ahead and buy in. Go do some more research on this, you guys. Make sure you check out that incredible trailer as well.